Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dere. I wish you all the best in life. God bless and good health. Pag nagkamali ako, wag mo ako pagtatawanan. Turuan mo lang ako. I wish you are always direct.
Direk, balita ko ayaw mo magpa-video greetings no? Hope your special day is wonderful as you are. Oh. Di ba? English yun, nag-isip pa ako no, ni-reserve ko yun para sa birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Direct Chef ng Hi Zoom family. Ang wish ko lang is syempre good health. Maraming blessings pa ang dumating sa'yo, sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay mo. And syempre kung ano yung heart desire mo, ibigay ni Lord ng nais sa kanyang kalooban. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Even love you.
Hello. Direct ng aming pamilya. Hi Zoom family. Eto na ako. Mag-greet na. Sino ako? Ako lang naman ang bunso ng family. Hindi ikaw ha, palit tayo. Reverse tayo ngayon. Ako ang bunso, ikaw ang panganay sa pamilya natin. Okay? Happy birthday, Direct. Wish you all the best. Stay cool at wag nang mahiyain. Okay? God bless you. Bye. From your Tita Violi. Okay, back to normal na. I'm the eldest among the family member and you are our dear bunso. Okay? Bye!
Ang hirap pala mag-voice over. Direk, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. God bless you. Our number 1 taga-Okray and chef and our director.
Pagpiling guys, hindi nga nagsasabi na marami at tayo all this sa ganito. So, ito na lang, Mayor, you full of black people, malakas yung naman sa mga
Camera, action!
Huzzah! Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang kainan, sa'yo ang inumin. Sana'y malasing mo kami. Happy birthday, Direk!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Derek.
happy birthday. Love you. Saka ka na magalit.